welcome to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you how I refreshed my living room for fall. I'm starting with a clean slate. This is my bare living room. And I always start with my gallery wall. Now on this wall I have two IKEA picture ledges, the 45-inch, and I hung them next to each other to create this longer ledge. I love these things. I use them all throughout my house, and I think they're such a great way to create a gallery wall really easily without having to measure and hang every single frame separately. So I love these. So as you can see, I decided to replace one of my previous pictures with an abstract print. And I chose this one because it has my color scheme, different shades of blues and greens, etc. And the wooden frame right next to it ties in with my coffee table and the rest of my furniture. And I then added these pumpkins that I picked up at HomeGoods. Next up is my couch. I love decorating with pillows because they just make a room look and feel so cozy and inviting. I typically reuse my pillow inserts and just change out the covers. Now for the longest time, I didn't know the difference as to why some pillows just looked fluffier and prettier to me. And I now know that it's all about the insert. So I prefer using down inserts as opposed to polyfill, because with down insert you can fluff them and shape them and they just look and feel prettier. Polyfill is kind of stiff. You know, it's all a matter of preference, of course. I prefer down inserts. And the great thing is that there's also down alternative, which is a hypoallergenic and vegan option to a down insert. Something else I like to do with my pillows is using different sizes and layering them. So like there's nothing wrong, for example, with these two, they're the same size, but I prefer to arrange them by size in different configurations. And these are just some examples. My favorite combination is two square pillows and a lumbar size pillow. This is perfect for a sectional corner because you have enough depth for this kind of gripping. It's also my first time using sheepskin. This is faux sheepskin. I'm not sure if I like it yet. I think I need a bigger one, but we'll see. Next up is the coffee table. I like to use trays on my coffee table to grip smaller objects. I found this beautiful kind of rustic industrial style tray at HomeGoods, and I got it for a huge discount because it was broken, split right down the middle. I like taking on these small repair challenges. I would love to get into woodworking, but I'm not there yet. But anyway, I used some wood glue and some nails. I added wood filler and I also stained it, and it was as good as new. I keep it simple on my coffee table because this table is very multi-purpose for our family. We use it all the time for everything, but it's fun to style it and it's always changed depending on what we're doing. I hope you guys enjoyed this decorating with me video, and I look forward to seeing you on my next one. Until next time.